Hi everyone, this is Zaza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And for today, we have another brand new house. And this one's located here at Savannah Green Plains. Savannah Green Plains is a secured subdivision, also very close to Korean Town. Commercial businesses also very close to Clark International Airport. Now let's start. You have a very beautiful and a modern contemporary home. You have your single carport over here, and in the middle is your pedestrian gate. Ang linis yun sa bahay. And then right here is another, kumbaga, welcome area or could be in the future gym area kasi fully covered siya. Para siyang outdoor dining. Ang ganda ng ceiling niya. Sama ganon. Then right here is your, pwede ng I can see na to, dirty kitchen. Kasi may direct access siya from your main house. Tapos this side, you have your laundry area na. And then in the future naman, kung mabili nyo yung bahay, pa-cover nyo na lang siya. Ang linis! Alam nyo yung seller, ang linis din sa house. Now, ulitin ko lang, right here is your single carport, pero kasya yung full-size van, kahit 4x4. Ganda siya kahaba. Fully covered, and then that part, polycarbonate. Para may natural light ka pa. Sobrang bright. 5:30 na kaya nang sinut namin yung house ito. Sobrang bright. And for the main door naman, you have your solid wood at the same time. Smart digital lock na for your main door. Now, I'll see you inside. Welcome to your dream home. Ito na naman ako sa, di ko pa tinignan yung pinakabuong bahay. Pero wow! In fairness, wow! Matutuwa kayo sa lot size nito. Upon entering your main door, you have your spacious living room. In fairness, ang lawak ng living room nyo. And then, naka-setup na rin for your entertainment wall. Kahit 55-inch to 65 inches na TV. Was right here. And also, may aircon na. ECU ng kasama. This will be your dining area. 6-seater to 8 kasha. So, pwedeng siguro round table para mas malaki. Pero kaya naman yung rectangular size. And then right here, ito lang naman yung access going to your outdoor kitchen, laundry area, and service area. Yung sinasabi ko may direct access tayo. And right here, see, nice! Ang spacious ng formal kitchen. Over there, pwedeng breakfast nook, kasyang-kasya yung 3 breakfast stool. Ang ganda ng mga cove lighting din. Ito na-maximize, so andito yung mga breaker. Tapos malawak siya, pwede pang lagyan ng mga anik-anik. Kumbaga. Yung fairness ang ganda. Tapos dito you have your large sink. May mga storage na din. At, wow! Meron ng organizer. Soft close pa. Madali. Tapos dito naman, may accent na black. Yung pinaka-door ng cabinet na to. Soft close din. Fairness, ganda. Tapos parang, ng shape nito? L-shape. Nasa ganun. Ang lawak niya. In fairness, gusto ko siya. Ito drawer. 4-burner stove. Tapos may range hood. Gusto ko rin yung height. Tapos dito, syempre, mga wine glass, may ceramic collections. Up to here, sa corner, na-maximize din kasi may mga saksakan talaga. Mga additional appliances. Tapos andito yung lahat. Microwave, oven na din. Pots and pans. Even your fridge. Ito pala 4-door. Galing! Sige, next door na. Or next area to explore. This one, Pwedeng office or pwedeng kay helper. Pwede din naman sa guest, pero single size kasi yung malalagay nating bed dito. So at least we have bedroom sa baba. And ang galing kasi na-maximize talaga yung lot size. If you wanna check the lot size agad, just click the description below. Nandun po siya located. And you have, what's this? Oh! Oh, nice yung toilet din. Toilet and bath / guest. Sa likod nito is your toilet area. Ito naman yung shower. Okay, shower pa siya. Dito lang, lagyan lang natin ng konting partition or siguro door in the future. Tapos your sink. Cute. Nice to. You have accent wall pa dito. Tapos may LED strips. Ganda, no? Thank you, Mr. K. Nakita nila how spacious. Nice. Then, going here, syempre may second floor tayo for this house. Let's go up here. Ayan, kahit yung steps matibay, something like that. Ang ganda, in fairness sa pagkakagawa. And yeah, before I continue going up, for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media page. That's Next Level Properties. And special shout out to Sanaya. Hi, Mami girl! Ayan. And as we continue going up, kaya sobrang bright, no? Sobrang nagka-complement yung white paint ng wall natin. Ang ganda na chandelier nyo dito. Sobrang liwanag. May cove lighting na, may pin lights. Tapos dito din, iba yung... Oh, oo nga, mag-iba pa yung ilaw nila. May cove lighting din, yung the rest ng hallway. And we have 4 doors to explore dito. Unahin ko na to. Ooh, very warm. So the house comes semi-furnished. So basic like kitchen appliances kasama na, and good thing sa mga rooms, meron na tayong air conditioning unit. Ganun na pagkagawa. Kung yung house na good for starter, I think ma-recommend ko na tong house na to kasi at the same time malapit sa schools, sa mga commercials, hospitals, and also sa NLEX nga ang lapin nito. For this one, you have built-in cabinet na rin. And in fairness, malaki din. Ayan. Next room. Ooh! Look, pati yung CR. Fairness talaga. Large sink area. LED pa yung mirror. Siyempre, have your toilet, tapos shower. Ang linis to kapag rain shower yung ginamit nila kasi wala dito. Anyway, ito yung common toilet and bath. Now for that room and this one. Ayan. We have third bedroom pero located siya dito sa third floor. Ay, nice! Iba naman yung Iba naman yung door ng built-in cabinet niya. Pero same sila ng style kapag binuksan nyo sa loob. Alright, for this one naman, kasya yung queen size or double size naman. Kaya for starter family, perfect na siya. Yung interior, yung very modern house, I think ito na yung house na yun. Okay? Last room is your primary bedroom. Wow, high ceiling! Sa ngayon kasi nagiging favorite ko yung high ceiling kasi it makes the space more bigger. So pagpasok, syempre sa likod ni Mr. K, sabihin ko na you have your entertainment wall. Ang dami pa rin ilaw, of lighting pin, you have your main light. Of course, we have air condition unit na kasi it's your primary bedroom. Sa bed size naman, kasyang-kasya yung king size, kasyang-kasya. I love it! Nice! If you want to check this house in person, you can just book the viewings from the numbers flashing on your screen. Yung mga ganito, I think, unahan to kasi it's perfect, napakalapit sa airport. Well, anyway, you have your bigger size, syempre na, built-in cabinet for your primary room. And you have your ensuite. So, almost the same sila ng toilet and bath. You have your large sink where you can do your makeup. toilet, syempre, and a shower area with
Enclosure.
yan. Gustuhan ko siya. Anyway, siguro, we have balcony. Syempre. Siguro dito na ako magbibigay ng quick recap for this house. And also, nice neighborhood to. Ang tahimik pa rin, no? Kahit pa busy hours na. Anyway, I'll give you a quick recap here. This house is brand new and located here at Savannah Green Place subdivision, just along Korean Town. The house sits at 120 square meters for the lot area, and you have 177 square meters for your floor area. This is 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. You also have your single carport, and the house comes semi-furnished.